Hey guys, this is Miss Punsley. I got a lot of questions about the work this week, so I'm going to go over a little bit and we're going to start with IXL and how to do it. Right, so your assignment, you should be on Google Classroom, you should be on the period that you have me. Either you're in my 5th period or my 6th period doing this assignment. Then you're going to scroll down, right, so your classwork, down to subject verb agreement, which is what we're doing this week. Should have already done this bell ringer. Looks like some of you have. Then you watch this video, Tale of Mr. Morton. Then you can go to IXL or you could do the worksheets. I'm going to start with IXL. So here it says you're doing level E HH.10 and you want to earn 80 smart points and answer at least 20 questions. Then you want to take a screenshot and put it on the assignment. Now, if you can't get to 80 points, that's okay. Just try to do at least 20 questions. I can still give you a score if you try on 20 questions, try your best, but you have to do at least 20. Let's try to get you as close to 80 smart points as you can. That really shows that you've mastered it, but if it's still too hard, you can always let me know. So I'll probably add a link to IXL, but basically you'll go to IXL the same way you always do, log in if you need to, and then you click on learning, and it's going to send you to math. Please don't go to the math section by accident because I know that's going to happen to some people. You want language arts, which just means English, and it'll say ELA, and remember it was level E, and then you want to scroll all the way down, not H, right? HH. There's not even a 10 under H, so hopefully you're not getting confused here. And so under HH, you're going to choose 10. So it's going to look something like this, and you can actually hit at the top, learn with an example, right? So the example shows you what you should have learned from the video. The subject is who is doing it. Remember in the video, it was Mr. Morton, right? And we talked about all the different things, the verb that Mr. Morton did, right? He walked, he talked, right? So all of those things are what make a complete sentence. And then so you're going to take all those pieces and you're going to put it together in a sentence, right? Who did it? I did. What did I do? I saw. And then a giant snake is the rest of the sentence, right? And that gives you a complete sentence. I saw a giant snake. So if we do the example, right, you can see no one says saw a giant snake eye, right? So when we're moving these around into our sentence, we want to put it in the right order. So you can actually hit this sound button so you can hear it read to you if you want it to read the directions.
Put the tiles in order to make a sentence.
Then you can click again to hear the actual words.
A giant snake. I saw.
Right? And then that will show you how to do it. So let's do an example together. This one says, put the tiles in order to make a sentence. Is growing a beard my dad? Now we know the period's always going to go at the end of the sentence, right? So we're going to save that one for last. Now, we could try to say a beard is growing, but then we'd have to put my dad at the end, and that doesn't make any sense, right? So what we want is who's doing it, and there's a good hint here because who goes at the beginning, and my has a capital letter, which means that you know it's a startup sentence. So you're going to say my dad, right? Now we can't put a beard because that doesn't make any sense, right? We can't put period. So we're probably going to go with what he's doing, right? Who, and then what they're doing. My dad is growing, right? And there's still 2 left. We know the period goes at the end. My dad is growing a beard, period, submit, right? And then you're going to keep doing this. And you're going to look and make sure your period always goes at the end of the sentence. Usually you'll have some kind of capital letter at the beginning, right? And you're always going to say what they do first, right? So, sorry, what they do after you've said who does it. So who, then what, right? What they're doing, and then what it is. So you can always use those sounds to help you. And I think you can actually play what your answer is so you can hear it back if you're not sure that it sounds right.
Wolf cups. Play. Hide and seek.
There you go. So we're trying to get everyone should be getting 20 questions at least. We're going to try to get to 80 if we can. If not, that's okay. But let's, when you're done, right, and you have your score finished, you're going to take a screenshot. It's a little bit harder on a Chromebook if you're using a Chromebook, but hopefully there's some way for you to take a screenshot on there. And then once you have your screenshot, you are going to save it. Make sure you get that score in there. You're going to save the number of questions. I'm going to check to make sure you have 20 and hope as many points as you can get. Once you've saved it, you should be able to go in and upload on Google Classroom your screenshot, right? So when you're in, student mode, you're going to go back to your Google Classroom assignment. You should have a turn in button, right, under student work, and then you should be able to attach your assignment wherever you saved it. If you're having trouble with that, just let me know and I will go into IXL and I'll just check your score for you. So if you're having trouble with the screenshot, don't worry about that too much. I'll still look at IXL to put your points in. Right. So let me know if you have any questions. The best way to get in touch with me is my office hours, which as of recording this at 2:30 are going on right now. I don't see anybody in the room, but you can go to your stream and under the announcement there is a form you can fill out. And there you can tell me if you want me to video chat you, email, or call you, right, so that I can give you more help. If you just want to come onto the class for office hours, you can just click this link and they'll take you right there, and I'll just be sitting at my computer waiting for people to get on. Great. So hopefully that helps a lot for those of you who are stuck. I am going to do a video in a second for these worksheets because I saw some people put in the wrong answers for those too. So we're going to go over that worksheet as well. Just let me know if you need any more help. It's nice talking to you guys. See you soon.